All right, for number 3, as a pot of tea cools, the temperature of the tea is modeled by the differentiable function h from 0 to 10, where t is measured in minutes and temperature in Celsius. Using correct units, explain the meaning of the integral 1 over 10, h of t, and the dt in the context of this problem. So we're not actually solving for this, we're just writing out what this means. So we can see it's not just an integral, it's not just a net change, but because there's this 1/10 here, which corresponds to the 0 to 10, that tells us that we're working with an average value. And in our average value function, whatever this function is, that's the average that we're finding. So h of c, or the average of h, is going to equal this function. This integral here. All right, so now we have to write out a sentence to explain what this means. So we know it's an average value, so this is the average, but what are we measuring here? What is h measuring? So we look back and read what that's measuring. H is a measurement of temperature, so it's the average temperature of the tea, but that wouldn't be enough because we need to include not only the units, so Celsius in Celsius, and that's still not enough because we need to say that that's specifically the average temperature between the times 0 to 10, so the average temperature in Celsius from t equals 0 to t equals 10 minutes. And then that is the correct full answer. If you leave out the units or if you leave out the time interval, then you will not get the credit. That's what most people forget, is the time is part of it.